Hey guys, it's Brandon with Investment Joy, and I'm doing a video today about how I am making over $3,000 a month on TikTok. Disclaimers out first. The 3,000 is I made $3,480 last month off TikTok. I am far beyond that as of today, which is August the 26th. I expect to be making more money. I have 725,000 followers currently on TikTok, but the way that I've been doing this, you wouldn't need anywhere close to that. But I have a lot of people asking me, how can you make money off TikTok? Because you can't make money off TikTok. And this strategy is going to apply for any social media. It's going to apply for almost anything you do. That's why I wanted to get this video out on a YouTube channel, because it's just going to be basic business. It's really odd to me because I've been contacted by quite a few TikTok people, and they have said, how can I make money off this platform? And I would say, you would do the normal things. And then they don't have a concept. I've met one guy on TikTok, significantly larger than I am. He's been on the platform for 1 year, and he's made a grand total of $7,000. And it was through essentially putting a Cash App on his page asking for donations. I don't beg for donations. I sell stuff. I promote things. And it's just this crazy situation where I have had in the past a much smaller channel on TikTok. Now I'm blowing up, and now I'm making good money and beating the pants off my YouTube channel. So real quick, in a nutshell, we're doing this with affiliate marketing. I am going to do as little fluff here so you guys can get the content. What is affiliate marketing? A lot of people know what that is. A lot of people don't. Let's say you have a product. We're going to go here on Amazon real quick. I've got my trusty DJI Mavic Air 2, which I actually bought with the TikTok money. So we're going to go to Amazon DJI Mavic Air 2. We're going to Google this live. And I'm going to click on the first link, and you would see on Amazon that the Mavic Air is a $799 drone. It's kind of cool. And believe it or not, you can get paid by Amazon to promote their products. Now, they aren't going to sign a contract with you saying, we'll give you $1,000 to talk about the drone. Unless you're a big content creator, that doesn't happen. But if you're a smaller content creator, what they will do is you can sign up for something called Amazon Affiliates, where you get a percentage of each sale you bring to Amazon. In the case of me, I've made a few $1,000s off my Amazon promotions, not on TikTok, but on YouTube. So when you have any sort of media project, whether it be TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and this goes for creators on YouTube that are smaller than the 1,000 member limit, the 1,000 subscriber limit. I get messages all the time from people wishing that they were monetized on YouTube so they can make money. You don't have to have ads play on your YouTube channel to make money. If you are selling products that are run by somebody else, or you are selling your own products. And it's just, in my opinion, just kind of a normal thing a business would do. So I always recommend that if you approach anything in life, you should do it from a business perspective. So I'm not selling drones, but this could be an idea. You could do a TikTok drone channel and sell DJI drones. And for every drone you sell on your channel, you're going to make, I would gather, maybe $20, $25. I would have to run the number, but you can just Google Amazon affiliates, and you'll get a link, and you can sign up. It's, I think, an international program, so you don't have to sign up you don't have to sign up just if you're in the United States or Canada. All right, we're going to go back because this is all live, and I'm showing you exactly what I do. So we go on my TikTok, and you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but if you want to look at it and see how I'm making money, click on my link tree. We'll open up anyway. So this is just a link that's in my profile on TikTok. And I have all these different links. There are links to my social media, but then I have M1 Finance. I have Webull. I have my mentorship project where we're going to do a live stream together, and I'm going to teach people how to do business deals. $10 in free Bitcoin with Coinbase, Acorns, Twitch live stream, my Instagram, my Discord, my free Teachable course. I have links to these things. And as of today, I will load up the statistics. So just over the past 7 days, I've had 651,000 people look at that profile. And eventually people go through and they actually click on the links and they buy products off me. I don't get really heavy on shouting out projects and saying, hey, in every single video, you've got to sign up for Webull with get 2 free stocks. Although I certainly won't be disappointed if you did that. Link in the bio. But every time somebody signs up for a product under me, I get a little commission. And the thing is, if you make $1 off of 1% of this number right here, 651,000, how much is that? Well, real simple, guys. We'll load up the greatest computer program ever created. Well, second best. This is the second best. It's called Calculator. I don't know if you guys knew how this works or it exists. You can type in numbers. So what if 1% of the people sign up on a product? It's $6,500. And if that product makes me $5, I'd make $32,000. Now we're just spitballing ideas on numbers here. I'm not monetizing my stuff in such a way that I get even 1% of the people turning over and making money off me. But when you run a social media channel or any sort of website or promotion or marketing thing, you're trying to get people, hopefully at some point, to buy your product. And you can be doing shout outs in every single video with high monetization. You can be doing shout outs in every video for a product that you would create and sell. Or you could do it just once in a while, not try to be overbearing, not try to do sponsored videos every single time. Build your following, but also making some money. From my perspective, you can either sell products in every video and you can make a lot of money per video, but your following is going to grow slowly, or you could have your following grow quickly and then you're going to get less money per view. And that's the choice that I've made on TikTok. I've got over 725,000 people on there now, and I've done that in maybe 45 days, which is total insanity. And once again, I'm not telling you guys that you should go out and make a TikTok now, but should you ever decide to, this is how I'm doing it to make money, this is how I'm doing it to get sales, and things of that nature. So I wanted to do this video quick and explain to you. It's called affiliate marketing, and I would hope that you would understand in all of my videos, whether they're TikToks or YouTubes or whatever, I'm doing my best to give you guys as much information as I can in the time that I have. I still work 50 hours a week with the trailer park and the laundromat and all that stuff. But you need to be the kind of person that is willing to go on to google.com and type in things like, what is affiliate marketing? And it would come up with a screen. What is affiliate marketing as per Wikipedia? Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing which businesses reward one or more affiliates for each visitor coming through by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. Did you guys know that a lot of car dealerships work this way? That your local Ford or local GM dealer, a lot of the time, the cars on their lots, now this isn't the case with every vehicle, but those cars aren't owned by the dealership. They're owned by the manufacturing company. And that dealership collects a portion of the sales of every single unit they move. This is kind of the virtual way that you do it. Likewise, there's a lot of grocery stores or even Walmart. Walmart doesn't pay for every single product that's in the store. A lot of times what will happen is the manufacturer of those products will give Walmart the product and then they get reimbursed as each unit moves. That way, Walmart doesn't have to finance hundreds of billions of dollars worth of products. The factories are doing that. And so then there's some performance incentives. Affiliate marketing is something that essentially everybody could get into. I've talked about before, back in 2009, I sold $1.2 million worth of ebooks online as an affiliate. If you would go on Google and look for something called Google Money System, that's a product that I promoted 11 years ago, and we sold $1.2 million worth of product, and all I had was 3 websites that cost me $9.95 a piece. If you guys want, I'll do a video on that, but it might be some stale content because it's over 11 years old. And once again, the thing with that portion of my life as an affiliate marketer, search engine optimization guy, I made crap loads of money over the course of a year, and it didn't do me any good because I had a very minimal understanding in finance. Had I have had finance understanding, I would have a lot of that money today. I'm not making that mistake again, and I'll show you why. So I'm logging into my M1 Finance portfolio right here. Oh, the Hillbilly Jumbotron cut it off a little. There we go. Here's my personal portfolio on M1 Finance. Today I've made like $600. So my personal ability for financial understanding has improved a lot. I'm now saving a portion of every dollar that comes in, and it's going immediately in the stock market, and it's going in investments. Even with my real estate investments, I didn't do that. I've put money back in my properties. That's why I have $4 million in assets right now in real estate. But had I have done this, my net worth would probably be in the $10 to $15 million. And it's just because you have to learn about these things with financial understanding. You have to learn about financial independence. And I'm trying to compose and put as much information as I can on my YouTube channel, trying to teach you guys the things that I wish that I would have known when I was your age, whichever age that is. So just stick around. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be here for a while and hopefully teach as much as I can. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. There's sign up for M1 Finance. You can still get 2 free stocks till I think the first or second week of September. Then it's going to go down to 1 stock. So do that while you have the time. If you have any questions, get a hold of me on my Discord. I am the #1 user on my Discord. I've responded to 20,000 messages by people on there. So I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys.